Oh god.
Let's get out. Let's go. Cause you can't take him anywhere.
You know what you say when you're excited on a pier? Yeah, boy. Today we took the train from our hotel to Santa Monica Pier. It was so much fun. I had more fun than I expected, to be honest. And the best part of all, I got to touch a shark, real life shark. Stay tuned. I'm at Santa Monica Pier. We ordered some smashy burgers. And I was at McDonald's stealing their Wi-Fi, and some person came up to me and she was like, "Are you a famous singer?" I thought she was gonna say, "Are you a famous YouTuber?" And my hopes got crushed. And she said I looked like a K-pop star.
It sounds like she doesn't know the name of the person.
Yeah, like what the heck?
I should have just said yes. Also, I have this big leaf. Huge. Big leaf and expensive burgers. This was like $60. So close. I got a dulce de leche and coconut churro. This 8 USD. Let's see if it's worth it. It tastes good, but not worth. So I'm using churro and ice cream combo. It's cold and hot at the same time. I like it.
Tony is going into the ocean. You have any last words? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
How far is that?
I don't know. That's a good question.
It's not very far.
Oh, that must be so cold. Okay. Aww.
So 2 fingers, middle of their back will go right there or right there.
Aww. How's it feel?
I have a puppy.
So cool.
Hello.
Welcome.
You guys aren't gonna go? At first, I was not into the idea of an aquarium because I've been to so many great ones, but for $10, I got the student discount, even though I'm not. It was well worth it. I had too much fun. So much fun. Too much fun.
So these are all touch. Do you want to touch any of the animals that I have with 2 fingers? For the big sea stars, the only part that we're not going to touch is going to be the underside. We can touch any of the top parts.
Oh. Are those barnacles?
No, those are actually, I forget what they're called, but the bumps helps them hold water in their bodies. So these guys all live in the tide pools, so when the tides recede, and they're like exposed to the sun and all of that, it allows them to just hold the water in. And then the furry parts help the water actually like permeate the skin.
Can I touch that too?
That was a doctor actually.
Ooh, what is that?
I always tell people to touch these guys first and that one last to compare, because that's always the reaction.
Ooh, what is that?
So that's the sunflowers.
Oh, it's so cool.
So as you mentioned, like the bumps on top to hold the
Sea urchin.
gonna say you could try giving one a piece of food. Oh, there you go.
How does it work? Oh! That's crazy.
Yeah, so if you see any that aren't already eating, you can feel free to give them a piece of help.
I just fed it half of them. Come, Patrick. Oh my, it's a moray reel. It's an actual moray reel. These are scary. They have 2 sets of teeth. Oh my, they're huge. If I saw one of these, oh, I have goosebumps right now. Oh yeah. Oh, it's an interesting texture. Sea monkeys. I'm moving them. I'm a world shaker. It's the octopus right here. Why are you staring at me like that? He's sleeping. If you can't tell, I'm having a lot of fun at the aquarium. That's how Aldo looks like. I think this is a Nemo Tower? Pretty cool. Only in LA will you see this. Drop off my package. Funny enough, it was for someone in LA. So, local, pretty cheap shipping. The biggest mistake I've made is not bringing envelopes. They charged me $2.33 Canadian for one shipping envelope. Rip off. The good thing was my hotel had a printer, so at least I didn't get charged for printing a piece of paper. I think that's like $4. Unreal what these shipping companies do to scalp you of any and all money, you know what I'm saying? This guy pretending to be a car. When I got back to the hotel in the lobby, there were like 50 people all dressed up, especially the women. Apparently there was an H&M event and it was like 8 minutes away from our hotel. So all of the fashion people, influencers were at our hotel. I found out where it was, but when I went to go sign up for it, the waitlist was closed, so unfortunately I missed out. Wish I could have gone. Dochi was going to be there. For dinner, we went to Lucky Mizu, me and Adriana. I swear I am the worst food photographer ever. This was Wagyu, ceviche, something. I only got one good picture, which was this. Atmosphere presentation, 4.5 out of 5. Taste, 4 out of 5. Affordability, 0 out of 5. That was a rip-off. We got like 12 pieces of sushi for $100. Drinking water on a rooftop at 11:30 on the slabs. What are those people doing? What is that guy doing? And then we left Moxie's to go to Anaheim for the next concert. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Disneyland. Probably not. The tickets are 180 USD for one day. Insanity. So maybe next time. But hope you guys enjoyed. I am loving LA so far. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.